So James, what are we covering this week in your segment?
Josh, this week let's cover off on aftermarket accessories, in particular the implications and the effects that aftermarket accessories have on your caravan. Fitting aftermarket accessories can affect the compliance in terms of overall vehicle dimensions, so things like rear overhang, width, load space forward. You could have additional load on the coupling or the ball, which will be an issue with the tow vehicle. Likewise, if you put too much load rearward of the axle or to the rear of the caravan, you may have some sway issues. You can obscure reflectors and lamps, so someone may not be able to see you from behind if you're turning right or left. Accessories are fantastic and everyone wants to put those extras on. We recommend that those extras are fitted by a suitably trained person. So go to a reputable dealer or service provider and get that product fitted properly to ensure that it doesn't invalidate any of those compliances, and most importantly, it keeps that product safe.
Towing safely is so important. That's why the Caravan Association of Australia has created this website, caravantowingguide.com.au. You'll find all the information you want to know and tips and tricks from the experts. That's caravantowingguide.com.au.